Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to clone apps on your Android device using the built-in app cloning feature. Just follow these simple steps to create a second copy of compatible apps quickly. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Next, scroll through the Settings menu until you find Advanced Features, Apps, or a similar option. The exact location depends on your device manufacturer. Now look for the app cloning feature. Different brands use different names. Samsung calls it Dual Messenger. Xiaomi uses Dual Apps. Oppo and Vivo call it App Clone or App Twin, while OnePlus may use Parallel Apps. Tap the feature available on your device. You'll now see a list of supported apps that can be duplicated. These usually include apps like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, Instagram, Snapchat, and other compatible apps. Find the app you want to clone, then tap the switch next to it to enable the feature. If a confirmation message appears, tap Install, Turn On, or Enable to continue. Your phone will automatically create a second copy of the selected app. Wait a few moments while the cloning process finishes. Once complete, return to your home screen or open the app drawer. You'll notice a second version of the app with a small badge or symbol on its icon. This indicates that it's the cloned version. Open it and sign in with a different account if you'd like. That's everything you need to know about cloning apps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and see you soon.